Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to set Memoji as contact photo on iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, in your iPhone, open your contact or phone app and search for the contact in which contact you want to add a Memoji for photo contact. So here's selecting this contact, for example, and now you have to edit the contact. Now tap on add photo and now tap on Memoji, and now to create a brand new Memoji you can select Memoji categories from here, but I'm going to selecting an existing Memoji, for example. So here's I'm selecting this Memoji and tapping on next, and now tapping on done and continue, and here we can see the contact photo option. So to set a Memoji as your contact photo, tap on choose a different photo and here select Memoji and select a Memoji for the contact photo. Tap on next and tap on, you can change your Memoji position from here. You can also zoom in or zoom out to crop your Memoji. Tap on choose, and now you can add a background from here. So let's select this background and tapping on next, and now just tap on continue and tap on done, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully added a Memoji for this contact photo. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.